Today, we are going to wire up a brand new open-weight reasoning model into a live agent system, then pit it against the bigger name APIs on cost and scale. The center of this whole stack is Mistral NeMo 12B, a small open-weight reasoning model that MarkTech shows sitting directly opposite Meta's Llama 3.18B in the same class. That same MarkTech page groups Mistral NeMo with Llama 3.18B and MiniPM in a set of small model techniques, which tells us this is meant for hands-on agent work, not just another leaderboard entry. Under the hood, we are in the 8 to 12 billion parameter range, where Llama 3.18B and Mistral NeMo 12B live and NVIDIA validates a 12B hybrid Mamba transformer at a 10 trillion token training horizon in the same scale class. That 10 trillion token figure, according to MarkTech, matters because it is the kind of training horizon you need if you want a small model to handle planning, tool calling, and self-critique instead of just autocomplete. To plug NeMo 12B into an agent stack, we are going to copy a pattern from NVIDIA's Hermes agent tutorial, which uses Nemotron models on build.nvidia.com by default, then points the same agent code at a self-hosted model on NVIDIA NIM or VLLM. Hermes agent calls out that you can swap in any Nemotron model and even a self-hosted NVIDIA Nemotron with no code changes, which is the same trick we use here, just with Mistral NeMo 12B sitting behind that API switch. Let's make this concrete and put NeMo 12B in charge of planning and tool calls from the command line, following the OpenShell and CLI blueprint pattern from NVIDIA's NemoClaw and Hermes agent setup. Notice we did not touch the agent logic, we just pointed the same planning and tool calling shell at a different reasoning core, which is the practical pattern Hermes uses when it swaps Nemotron models on build.nvidia.com or on NIM. Now let's talk cost, because the real choice is not Nemo versus Llama by vibe. It is open weights you can run on your own GPU versus Frontier APIs you rent by the million tokens. Frontier models from vendors like OpenAI and Anthropic usually charge several dollars per million tokens at high reasoning quality, while a self-hosted NeMo 12B or Llama 3.18B lets you flatten that into hardware cost once you have a GPU and serving stack like ELLM or NIM. The catch is that small models are more sensitive to prompt quality and fine-tuning, and MarkTech's grouping of NeMo with instruction tune compression and MiniPM embeddings is a hint that you should spend time on optimization, not just drop it in and expect frontier-level behavior. Over HTTP, the story is the same as the CLI. You either call a hosted Nemotron endpoint on build.nvidia.com, or you expose your own NeMo 12B server. Then your Hermes-style agent just points its reasoning URL at that service and keeps the same planning, memory, and tool code. So the move is simple. If you have steady traffic and GPU access, treat Mistral NeMo 12B or Llama 3.18B as your reasoning core. Wire them in with the Hermes and NemoClaw pattern and save Frontier APIs for spikes or the few tasks where you really need a giant model. If you want more episodes where we put specific open-weight models inside real agent stacks and show the CLI and HTTP wiring, hit subscribe and you will see the next build when it ships.